In this class we will learn some tools for visualizing the models that facilitate editing and modeling of parts and sets. Come on, let's go. First, with an open part file, we will define a background, which will be applied in the part and assembly environments. In the Tools, Options, System Options, Colors menu, some options for setting the background are listed. With the option Use Document Scene Background enabled, we can apply a more realistic scenario with lighting options. In the Apply Scene icon, we can click on the arrow and choose the scenario that will be used. If we leave the plane option active, the color set in Viewport Background will be displayed as the background. With the Gradient option, SolidWorks will present as background the transition between the colors set to top and bottom gradient color. By activating Image File, we can choose an image to place as the background in the modeling area. We leave the first option active and confirm. For SolidWorks Corporation approved video cards, it is possible to use the Real View Graphics feature, which improves the display quality of the models, leaving it realistic. In the View, Standard Views toolbars and also in the Floating toolbar, we have several options for viewing the models. We will begin by applying the standard orientation views of a drawing: front, back, left, right, top, bottom and isometric. When you place the mouse over one of these view tools, the name is displayed, and when you click, the reference triad updates the axis according to the selected view. Next, we will look at the option Normal to, which requires the selection of a face or plane in relation to which the model will be aligned. We select the top plane, click on the option and note that the model has been aligned. Now we select a face. Note that alignment occurs again. This option is very useful in modeling and editing parts, but note that it cannot be applied to curved faces. With the option View Orientation we can create views, including with zoom to show specific details. Simply set the desired view, type the space bar, click New View and enter the name of the new view. There are several zoom options: zoom to fit, frames the model in the graphic area, zoom to area, zoom to the selected area, zoom in, out, with the mouse movement holding the left button pressed, zoom in or out the model. This option is also performed by moving the mouse wheel. Zoom to selection, this option brings a previously selected entity closer together. We easily access these options by right-clicking on the graphic area. We can also move the model with the option Pan. To do this, simply select the option and move the mouse with the left button pressed. To rotate we have the command Rotate, also accessed by moving the mouse with the center wheel pressed. The Roll View command rotates the model around one axis, keeping it fixed and rotating the other two. Note: by double-clicking on one of the axes of the reference triad, it is orthogonal to the screen, changing the view of the model. In this class we know some practical commands to assist in the visualization of the model, facilitating the development of the project. These commands will be used frequently throughout the course and most can be applied in all three SolidWorks environments.